Cleaning a deep fryer, whether at home or in a restaurant, can be challenging due to the buildup of cooking oil and food particles. To simplify the process, clean your fryer regularly. If used frequently, change the oil and clean it every few days. For less frequent use, clean it after each use. Never immerse the fryer in water, and always unplug it and let it cool before cleaning to avoid burns and damage. Drain oil properly, using a sealed container for storage or disposal, and avoid pouring it down the sink. Use warm, soapy water, a soft sponge, and a scrubbing brush for the frying basket, while checking and cleaning or replacing any filters. For stubborn residue, a baking soda paste can be effective, but avoid harsh chemicals unless absolutely necessary. Rinse thoroughly to remove soap and allow the fryer to air dry completely before using it again. Regular cleaning not only enhances safety, but also makes future cleaning easier.